Good afternoon, everyone. I am Rubigen C. Canales from BSIT2B. This video is all about research. So what we are waiting for? So let us start. What is research? A careful consideration of study regarding a particular concern or problem using scientific methods. According to the American sociologist Earl Robert Bobby, research is a systematic inquiry to describe, explain, predict, and control the observed phenomenon. Research involves inductive and deductive. Inductive research methods are used to analyze an observed event. Deductive methods are used to verify the observed event. Inductive approaches are associated with qualitative research, and deductive methods are more commonly associated with quantitative research. Research is conducted with a purpose to understand what the organizations or businesses really want to find out. What are the processes that need to be followed to chase the idea? What are the arguments that need to be built around a concept? What is the evidence that will require for people to believe in the idea or concept? Characteristics of research. 1. A systematic approach must be followed for accurate data. 2. Research is based on logical reasoning and involves both inductive and deductive methods. 3. The data or knowledge that is derived is in real time from actual observations in natural settings. 4. There is in-depth analysis of all data collected so that there are no anomalies associated with it. 5. Research creates a path for generating new questions. Existing data helps create more opportunities for research. 6. Research is analytical in nature. It makes use of all the available data so that there is no ambiguity in inference. 7. The accuracy is one of the most important aspects of research. What are the types of research? Following are the types of research methods. Basic research. A basic research definition is data collected to enhance knowledge. Applied research focuses on analyzing and solving real-life problems. Problem-oriented research. As the name suggests, problem-oriented research is conducted to understand the exact nature of problem to find out relevant solutions. Problem-solving research. This type of research is conducted by the companies understand and resolve their own problems. The problem-solving method uses applied research to find solutions to the existing problems. Qualitative research is a process that is about inquiry. It helps create in-depth understanding of problems or issues in their natural settings. This is a non-statistical method. Qualitative research is heavily dependent on the experience of the researchers and the questions to be probed the sample. The following are the methods used for qualitative research. 1. One-to-one interview. 2. Focus groups. 3. Ethnographic research. 4. Content or text analysis. 5. Case study research. Qualitative research method. Quantitative research is a structured way of collecting data and analyzing it to draw conclusions. Unlike qualitative methods, this method uses a computational and statistical process to collect and analyze data. Quantitative data is all about mean numbers. Quantitative research involves larger population, more people means more data. Online surveys, questionnaires, and polls are preparatory data collection tools used in quantitative research. What is quantitative research? What is the purpose of research? There are 3 purposes of research. Exploratory. As the name suggests, exploratory research is conducted to explore a group of questions. 2. Descriptive research focuses on expanding knowledge of current issues through a process of data collection. 3. Explanatory research or casual research is conducted to understand the impact of certain changes in existing standard procedures. To understand the characteristics of research design using research purpose, here is a comparative analysis. So here is the table. Primary research examples, methods, and purpose. Research method is defined as the tools of instrument used to accomplish the goals and attributes of study. Research begins by asking the right questions and choosing appropriate method to investigate the problem. When it comes to customers and market studies, the more thorough your questions, the better. By thoroughly collecting data from customers through surveys and questionnaires, you get important insights into brand perception and product needs. Types of research methods and research examples. Qualitative methods. Qualitative research is a method that collects data using conversational methods. Participants and asks open-ended questions. The responses collected are essential non-numerical method that only helps a researcher understand what participants think but also why they think in a particular way. Type of quantitative method includes one-to-one interview. This interview is conducted with one participant at a given point in time. Focus groups. All small groups comprising of around 6 to 10 participants who are usually experts in the subject matter. Ethnographic research is an in-depth form of research where people are observed in their natural environment without. Text analysis is a little different from other qualitative methods as it is used to analyze social contracts by decoding words through any available form of documentation. Case study is used to study an organization of an entity. This method is one of the most valuable options for modern. This type of research is used in fields like the education sector, philosophical studies, and psychological studies. This method involves a deep dive into ongoing research and collecting data. Quantitative research methods. Quantitative method deals with numbers and measurable forms. There are three methods that are often used by researchers. Survey research. The ultimate goal of survey research is to learn about a large population by developing a survey. Descriptive research is a method which identifies the characteristics of an observed phenomenon and collects more information. Correlational research examines the relationship between two or more variables. Identifying research methodology. To choose the appropriate types of research, you need to clearly identify the objectives. Some objectives to take into consideration of your business include: find out the needs of your clients, know their preferences and understand what is important to them. Find an appropriate way to make your customers aware of your products and services. Find ways to improve your products or services to suit the needs of your customers. After identifying what you need to know, you should ask what research method will offer you that information. Organizational questions within the framework of the 7 P's of marketing that influence your company, product, price, promotion, place, people, processes, and physical tests. I will organize customer research processes, produce valid, accurate, reliable, timely, and complete results. Results that rigorously reflect the opinions and needs of your clients will help you grow your sales and improve your operations. To obtain the results, you need to establish and follow the process that you have detailed out of your organization. Set your goals. Consider the client's objectives and define those that identify with yours. Make sure that you set SMART goals objectives. Do not presume the results of your surveys. Plan your research. Good planning allows the use of creative and logical approaches to select the methods that gather the most accurate information. Collect and collate your results. Make a list of how you're going to carry out the research process, the data you need to collect, and collection methods. This will help you keep track of your processes and make sense of your findings. It will also allow you to verify that your research accurately reflects the opinions of clients and your market. Create a record table with the consumer research activity, the necessary data, the methods of data collection, the steps to follow data analysis. Remember, research is only valuable and useful when it is valid, accurate, and reliable. Relying on imperfect research is dangerous. Incorrect results can lead to customer churn and decrease in sales. It is important to obtain information about the collection of customers' information was carried out and ensure that your data is valid, founded, logical, rigorous, and impartial, accurate, free of errors including required details, reliable, that can be reproduced by other people who investigate in the same way, timely, current, and collected within an appropriate time frame, complete, includes all the data you need to support your business decisions. Analyze and understand your research. Analyze the data can vary from simple and direct steps to technical and complex processes. Keep the findings ready. Choose a spreadsheet that allows you to easily enter your data. Review and interpret the information to draw conclusions. Once you have gathered all the data, you can scan your information, interpret into a conclusion, and make the informed decisions. You should review the data and then identify the main trends and issues, opportunities, and problems you observe. Write a sentence describing each one. Keep track of the frequency with which each of the main findings occurs. Make a list of your findings from the most common to the less common. Evaluate a list of the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and traits that have been identified in a SWOT analysis. Prepare conclusions and recommendations about your research. Choose some strategies that will help you improve your business. Act your strategies, look for gaps in information, and consider doing additional research if necessary. Plan to review the results of the research. Consider efficient strategies to analyze and distinct results for interpretation. That's all, and thank you for watching.